puppies are 5 weeks old and 1 day, and they have been eating food now for a week. And they're getting pretty good at it. Let's show you how. There goes the food. Eat, puppies. Oh, they still get pretty interested in me. Oh, now we found the food. They just got their collars on yesterday. So they are now official big dogs. You always have to kind of walk in it a little bit. They are eating, instead of just gruel, it is ground puppy food and some regular puppy food like you'll be feeding, moistened for, I don't know, a minute or so, and all stirred together. They're getting 4 cups that they're sharing now, 3 times a day. Winner says, where? Easy, folks.